outstanding design defines the 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck just recently passed the 60,000-mile mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, a security system, OnStar, and ABS brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.